for the great sound, the calming waves of the deep Atlantic Ocean. But even within these waters, very pristine, so simple, lies a great message, a message that can be used throughout life. See, at the very end of the horizon, high tides begin to form. They rise up those waves, and they continue from there. Look, you can see one forming right now. What's this? Oh my obstacles, rocks, pipes, metal bars, all come in the way and block the way. And guess what? It comes back up, smaller, but surely better this time, and it walks it off to the shoreline. A life message can be seen here. The high tides signify dreams and high hopes. While they are crushed by the jagged points of some obstacles, they still persevere through and make it to the shore. Those who give up have nothing to write in their name, nothing left to them, all alone. Thank you for spending time with me in the Atlantic Ocean.